When we talk about similarity and two similar figures, there are a couple of ways that we can use similarity to solve problems. One of them has to do with having a scale factor for our similarity. Oops. And so with a scale factor, every point on one of the objects corresponds to a point on the other object. And then we define k, which is a positive number, and that is the distance between any 2 points from one object is k times as long as the same points on the other object. And we call this k the scale factor. So for example, over here I have a little model of a big statue or piece of artwork. So for this model, the model is 10 inches wide and 20 inches tall. Now we compare that to the actual statue, which is 60 inches tall. And our question is, how high would it have to be similar to the model? So what we can see here is that to get from 10 inches to 60 inches, we need to multiply by a scale factor. And we call that scale factor k. Don't ask me why. It's just called k. It's just a variable. And so you can see that if we multiply 10 times a number, we get 60, and that number is 6. So our scale factor is 6. And so to find the height of the actual statue, we want to multiply the height of the model by the same scale factor. So instead of k times 20, we would have 6 times 20, and our height would be 120 inches tall. So this is how a scale factor works. So for any point on the model, the distance between that point and another point is going to be, on the model, is going to be multiplied by that scale factor to find the same distance on the actual object.